Hey YouTubers, this is Go for Bob on the Go for Bob channel, and today we are reviewing a Batman movie set. This one is 70913, the Scarecrow Fearful Face-Off. Now, this is a kind of cool set. This is the back of the box. It's got a couple of play features in it, but the minifigs, well, especially the Scarecrow, he is really good. Okay, let's have a look to begin the box. Sticker sheet. These are the spare pieces. Now, I don't know why I got an extra plate, but normally you don't get that. So, that in this one I did. So, I don't know why I got that. Anyway, that's that. There's the instructions. Nice colorful instructions. Scarecrow. And it takes approximately 14 steps, so that's the end of it. A couple of plays, shows you the play feature. And promotion of the sets, the new sets that came out recently. And the ultimate bat reveal. Some more advertising, and there's previous sets that came out as well from the Batman movie. So not a bad catalogue or instruction booklet. Now let's have a look at the minifigs. Nicely, you can't really see on the back because he's got wings, but they're solid wings, so it's not bad. I believe he would have a alternative face print, and yes, he does. No arm printing and no leg printing. So that's Batman. Set it down there. Let's get out the Scarecrow and let's look at this guy. What a cool villain. Look at that. That is just awesome stuff. Printing all the way down his legs. And the rope. His belt there goes right down to the, on his torso, goes right down on the legs. Absolutely wonderful. Really cool. And he has an alternative face print. How cool is that? From happy to mean. So, it's just really cool. That is a really cool thing. He's got boots there, toes, shoes. That's really cool. And his arm printing. It's really excellent. Look at that, man. This is really good. What a villain. Alright. Now, this is one of the little mini bills you get with it. That's a sticker there on that piece. Now there's a bomb there that if you push that up, it's a valve. Boom. Didn't go too well. I'm not really wanting it to spring off and get lost, land on the floor or something like that. So that's Batman with the jetpack on there, which is cool. Yeah, these bombs are very cool. You got like a head piece without a head. So, interesting. Anyway, and then you get these flick flare stud shooters, and on the end is that with a bomb. So, this is a cool build. Sticker on there. Now I do apply my stickers. Even though they may come off in some years' time, I hope not. That's a sticker there, sticker on the other side, and on the tail, a double sticker there. But apart from that, got some grills there, from cars, but no, it's cool. It's definitely a couple of broomsticks there for some landing gear. Little helicopter, little copter there. Oh, that's a great little set. really is. Even though it's a small set, it's pretty cool for what it is. So from the Lego Batman movie, really cool. So I'm pretty happy with it. And yeah, definitely get it. It's 141 pieces, sorry, and 2 minifigs. So yeah, that's it there. Scarecrow, Fearful Face Off, 70913. Please enjoy and get it if you want it. But no, it's definitely a good set. Don't know if you put it in a city, maybe you would. Don't know, maybe you just have it on display. But kind of cool. The Scarecrow minifig definitely he's a minifig to get out of this one, definitely. Batman second, builds, helicopter probably better than that one. But yeah, great stuff. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.